Good day! Are you familiar with the shortcut method of multiplying 1,125 times 1,125? I'm pretty sure at this point you are already familiar with multiplying 11 by 11 and 25 by 25. Do you have the idea now? That will be our lesson today. For demonstration purposes, we will split the number into two. Let the multiplicand 11 be 1,100. Likewise, the multiplier 11 will be 1,100. Let's multiply 1,100 times 1,100 is equal to 1,210,000. Now let's go to the tens and the ones. 25 times 25 is equal to 625. This is not the final answer. We still have to compute for the others. The thousands and the ones, the thousands and the tens. They have to be added also. Don't forget about the hundreds. Should be multiplied by tens and multiplied by ones. Before learning the shortcut method, I would like you to learn the regular way of multiplying a 4 by 4 digit number. The regular way of multiplying 4 by 4 digit number has 16 steps. When shortcut method is used, a few steps will be omitted as indicated by the blue background. To get a better look on how to multiply 4-digit by 4-digit number, we will demonstrate to you the complete steps in multiplying these numbers. In other words, we are demonstrating to you the regular way of doing. There you have it, 16 steps, all in all. Now let's go to the shortcuts. Our given is 25 by 25, so the product is 625. The next to add are the ones with the yellow background. The total sum of these numbers will be labeled others. To confirm that 1,100 times 1,100 is really 1,210,000. We are going to add up all related thousands and hundred steps, like step 9, 14, 15, and 16. Magkatugma kaya ang answer ng shortcut at ang long cut? Tumpak! Now let us find the final answer. this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.